Hey awesome people! Welcome to Best of Creatives, where we will master creativity with creation by creating. The scenery you're watching is Koraput, located in southern part of Odisha, and is mostly covered with dense forest and wonderful mountains.
I love the people here. They are very kind and helpful. I mean, at least the people I have met. This journey is to do a nice landscape painting of these splendid mountain ranges. So we are in a trek to a spot from where we could get a good view. Initially, I was so excited about it, but unprecedentedly one blunder happens at the destination, which ruins everything. I will tell it at the end of this video.
First and foremost, let me tell you guys little bit about this beautiful place. Initially, it was consisting of 4 neighboring districts, therefore, it was actually the biggest district of Odisha. Later in 1992, it was divided due to governing and some anthropological issues. Koraput is mostly famous for its greenery, waterfalls, and great history. Deomali, the biggest mountain of Odisha, Duduma, one of the highest waterfalls, and Sabarshetra, Jagannath temple. Adivasis here have annual festival known as Parab. Apart from that, it has rich historical importance and great traditions as well. The Jaipur port is one of the main attractions here. Moreover, airplane components are manufactured here at Sunabela. Further, if I am missing any interesting facts about this place, please comment down below. It will be amazing to read those. This place is incredible. Time and time again, I felt like this place has an exceptional potential to be an amazing tourist attraction. Okay, let me highlight my blunders now. Have you ever made efforts but ruined everything with a small mistake? This is exactly what happened with me. If you have ever tried doing color landscape painting, so it's always wet medium which is preferred most, cause blending of color becomes so easy. So the biggest blunder I made here was not bringing those. I mean, I packed those but forgot to put in my bag. After traveling about more than 70 kilometers, it really sucks making this kind of blunders. I was hesitant in uploading this video, but still I felt like it is very important to tell the blunders in a journey too. Because parts of a journey are the blunders, right? We learn from them, then we rise. Now I had only sketches and brushes, but there wasn't any wet medium, so I switched to dry medium. Here I am drawing a contemporary kind of art to admire the beauty of the nature. Here the flowers signifying the beauty, in the background Mother Nature herself. The homes indicate the people. The water over here is indicating the great waterfalls. Pepperbird is to state the kind of pure nature of Adivasis and people of Koraput. Thank you very much. Let me know more about this place in comment section below. If you have ever faced this kind of blunders, let me know. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're still seeing that damn red hot subscribe button, click it and cool it down to grey. I know you're smart enough to click that bell button too. Still then, keep creating, keep being awesome.